barbecue, chicken barbecue, and Douglas Dolphy Vlogs. He is mowing the lawn because you can see everything is wild. The grass grows so fast. So this is chicken. It's my way of making a barbecue. I season it with recado, the red paste that Mexicans use, and also some sugar-free Coke or Pepsi, and beer, a little bit of Leon Perrins, and salt, pepper. You're supposed to season it with for a few hours before you put it on the grill, and it's delicious. I'm going to be making the handmade flour tortillas and coconut, of course, with coconut milk, and those are also my signature. I am very good at that, so I'll keep you posted and see and let you judge what you think of my barbecue. Okay, Dolphy Vlogs and it's working. Yeah, the yard looks like a mess right now because like I said before, this is the first day of the summer that we're outside. Well, actually it's not summer yet, but winter is almost gone. So you can see here we have wild berries, and we have here this is the pear tree. These pears are so sweet, very nice. Right now you can see a little it's gonna start soon maybe. And then we have here the apple tree. This is my favorite tree, not because I don't like apples, but I love this tree because it has a history with the house. They say that it's a very old apple tree, and if you can see right now, see, it's falling, and it was actually on the ground, and we lifted, and gives beautiful big red juicy apples. So it's my favorite tree. I don't like apples, but I love pears. And then we have here the fig. It's our fig tree. The fig tree is beautiful. Actually I used to like fig. No, I don't anymore, from when I heard that there's some little bug that goes inside the tree, the fruit, and it's actually having babies in there or something. So I don't want to eat them anymore. So this last year I didn't even taste one, and this tree gives so much, so many. And here, if you can see, we have these are grapes. This is our grapevines, and they give us beautiful grapes. Okay, so I will see you in a little bit. Okay, I'll keep on filming. Okay, let's see how it is going here. Look, all the smoke. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. I hope I'm not burning it. Nah. The trick about making the barbecue, you have to be turning it constantly turning. Yeah, that way it gets the flavors right through the bone. And I put a little bit of the juice so it's juicy. See, That's all the gravy from the spices that I season with, and that makes it really, really juicy and tasteful. I put a little bit of water in the thing here because I don't like when it has too much fire. Otherwise, the chicken skin takes out the fat, and that will make the fire. So this is our whole barbecue here. So, and Panchito is waiting for food. Mi amor, are you waiting for food? Yes, of course he is. I have my apron. Okay, so see how it smokes. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Oh, and of course there's our beer. A Budweiser. I love Budweiser. Okay guys, this is finished. This is the how it's going to look. See, it's well done. Here you can see. I know 100% sure it's done because I make a little cuts here and there before putting it on the grill, and to be extra sure, it's chicken. You have to make sure that is cooked. And I've been cooking for many years. I love cooking. And see, that's the fat from the chicken dripping. It's so good. It smells delicious. See there? There we go. Look at that. Look at that. And then there's little pieces that they fall out, and I give it to Pancho. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay, so this is it, guys. Then I throw some water in here because it's good to be safe. Woo! So we turn it off like this, and then we close it and finish. Bye bye. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and this is my chicken that's finished. I will show you later on how it looks with the beans and the homemade tortillas, etc., etc. Well, guys, this is the barbecue finish. Like I said, I will show you how it is, how it came out. The chicken, the beans made by me, of course, the coleslaw also. On the next video, I will show you how to make the beans and the coleslaw. I didn't want it to go too long. And the flour tortillas over here. So we are ready to eat our dinner. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give me a like and a little comment if you want to know more about, if you have any questions of whatever we made here with the flour tortillas and the chicken. Feel free to ask and I will answer every single one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.